What's up, YouTube? You see it. Lil B Customs. We back. Say what's up, Snoopy the Wiz. That's Snoopy the Wiz. Snoopy the Wiz in the background. That was kind of rude for the YouTube. Anyway, YouTube. We back. Corvette.
Oh, that was so unprofessional.
Quarter pound. It was so what?
Unprofessional, my fault, y'all.
Yeah, YouTube. Got that quarter pound thing back on there, double side repair. We showed y'all the fiberglass repair on the back side. Now look at that front side. If I do say so myself, say it looks pretty darn good. What we have here is SMC fiberglass repair, two side. It was cracked on the quarter pound, and it was also cracked on the rear panel, or pushed in right about in that area. And we brought that thing back to life. Bodywork 101, Lil B Customs, Greensboro, North Carolina. Get you some.